Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Maddie. Also, don't mind the mess in the background. I'm sure you guys are aware, but I'm redecorating my room. It's in progress, but I'm almost done, I pinky promise. But anyways, in today's video, I am going to be doing a plan with me video. I just thought it would be fun to do something different on my channel, so I hope you guys like these types of videos. So I decided for my June spread, I would make it peach themed, which I don't know, I just am obsessed with like peach patterns. I think they're so cute. And the inspiration behind it was this. So I painted this probably like a month ago, and I don't know, I'm just like obsessed with it. I think it's so cute. So I decided to make my June spread that theme. So it's a lot of oranges, some yellows, obviously some peaches. So I'm gonna show you guys how I made my spread and walk you guys through that. If you guys are not subscribed already, make sure you do that. Hit the subscribe button down below, and you guys can be a part of our cute little family, which, side note, we just hit 15,000 in our family. That is so insane to me. My channel has been growing so much lately, and I can't thank you guys enough for all of the support. It really means a lot to me. But yeah, anyways, without further ado, we're just gonna jump right into the video. Okay, so we're gonna start off with what I use to make the spread. First off is my notebook, which my mom actually made this for me. It's super cute. And then these are the markers I used. They're Tombow brush pens. I got these off of Amazon, and they are the best markers literally ever. And the numbers on the screen are the exact colors that I used. And then the other materials I used included an eraser, a mechanical pencil, and a felt tip pen. And for these things, I'm not really particular on anything. I'll use any kind of eraser or pencil or whatever. Okay, so starting off with the cover page, I traced out June 2020 in pencil, and now I'm going over it in pen. Then I just erased the pencil and filled in the letters a little bit more. Okay, so now I am drawing the peaches, and they're actually really easy to draw. So you can kind of see that I start out with a circle, and then when I'm about to close the circle, I go in a little bit, so it's a little curve at the top, and that's where the leaves are going to go. So I ended up not sketching out where I wanted the peaches to go, just because I knew I wanted it to be kind of like all over the page. Now you can see I am just drawing in the leaves, so you can kind of see I make almost like a little heart shape. And I also decided to trace the peaches, which I wasn't sure if I wanted to do, but I am so glad I did because I love how it turned out. But I'm just kind of like messily tracing all of the peaches and the leaves. I actually really like how it looks when it's a little messy. I think it's cuter that way, but you definitely can make it a little bit neater if you want. And I love how this cover page turned out. I think it is so cute. It's so simple, and the design is really easy to make. Okay, so now I'm making the monthly spread. The last time I drew a calendar in my bullet journal, I guess. It's technically not a bullet journal, it's just a notebook, but the last time I did it on one page instead of two, and honestly, it wasn't enough space for me, so I decided to use both pages this time, and I actually love how it turned out. So here I'm just measuring it out with my ruler. So you can see I'm measuring out the page. So basically what I did was I figured out how many weeks there were in June, and I subtracted an inch for the title on the top of the page, and I think my page was like 9 inches total, so I divided 8 by 5 because there were going to be 5 rows, one for each week of the month. And the setup for my monthly calendar is very minimal and very simple. So as you can see, I drew a line across both pages at the top. So this is going to be for the days of the week, and I'm using a lighter shade of orange to trace in where the weeks are going to go. So in those lines, I'm going to put the dates. I found this monthly spread idea off of Pinterest, and Pinterest is a great place to look at for ideas, especially for doodles and weekly spread ideas, monthly spread ideas, or you could even find some theme inspiration on there. Oh, okay, so as you can see, I'm drawing the lines. I didn't use the ruler to do the second page, and I realized they were so crooked, and I realized that I was just not going to be able to fix it, so I ripped it out and started over. But now you can see I filled in the days of the week at the top in the darker orange color, and now I'm going through and filling in the dates. So you can't really see, but in pencil I divided the days of the week in the columns. That way I knew where to put the numbers evenly spaced out. So I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do with the title. I knew I wanted to put the month, of course, and the year, but honestly there wasn't a lot of room to do some calligraphy, so I ended up just doing block letters, and I did that in the darker orange color, and I outlined it in the lighter orange color, and I really like how it turned out. Later you'll see that I actually added something else to it. So now I'm just adding some more peaches, and I'm just kind of randomly putting them around the title area. And now I'm adding the leaves, of course, and then the outlining. Again, I'm being very messy with it. I actually really like how it looks when it's not perfect. I think it looks a lot cuter like that. Maybe it's just me. So as you can see, I left some space on the right side of the second page. I wanted to use that as my growth tracker. So what I'm doing right now is I'm kind of just tracing out the YouTube logo and the Instagram logo. And I'm filling the YouTube logo in with the darker orange color. And then I'm filling in the Instagram logo with the lighter orange color. And now I'm just outlining it with the black pen. I really messed up the triangle, so I ended up just filling it in, which it's not my favorite, but whatever, it works. And then I did the same with the Instagram logo. And originally I thought I was going to add like a quote on the bottom, but I honestly just didn't want to stress about the lettering because that stresses me out because I'm such a perfectionist. But I ended up just drawing some more peaches, again with the kind of odd shaped circles, adding the leaves and then the outlines. So yeah, as you can see, I ended up adding a little bit of cursive to the title, and I actually really like how it turned out, so I just wrote June in cursive on top of the block letters. And then as you can see, I just did the same with 2020. I think it really made it stand out and it was super cute. So this next spread is for video ideas for June. At the top, I just used the two orange colors to draw lines, and then I drew in cursive on top of that to add the title. Now I'm adding more peaches, of course, at the bottom. Again, weird circles, leaves, outline, you get the idea. On the next page, I am leaving space for sponsorship plans. This is a page I wish I had last month, so I wanted to add it to my spread this month. And it's just a page where I can plan out sponsorships and have deadlines there and all of that good stuff. Again, with the peaches, of course. By the end of this, I got so good at drawing peaches. Like, I don't think anyone else can draw a better peach than me. Okay, so this next spread is my weekly spread. I only ended up drawing this spread for the first week of June. I wasn't sure if I was going to like the layout. As you can see, I'm just writing the day of the week along with the date. And for Tuesday, I actually messed up and I grabbed the wrong marker. I didn't mean to. I just kind of went with it. It turned out cute anyways. So for the weekly spread, I divided the first page into 3 days. And then on the second page, I divided it up into 3 sections. The top 2 are obviously Thursday and Friday, and then I split the last section into 2 for Saturday and Sunday. But I figured I probably wouldn't have as much to write down for those 2 days, so I didn't mind splitting it up. But yeah, so that is everything I drew in my spread. And this is a flip through so you guys can see how everything turned out. I absolutely love the theme. I think it is the cutest thing ever. I love how it turned out and I'm so proud of it. But yeah, that's what it looks like and I hope you guys like it too. Let me know what you guys think of it in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this. I really hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to let me know if you guys like these types of videos in the comments down below. But yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. I have the links in the down bar below. Those things help me out so much, so I'd really appreciate it. But yeah, so that is going to be it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!